Finally, it is here, guys, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the purple, 265 gigs, and I'm very excited. I've ordered it on the 15th of September and now it's the 23rd of October, so like 6 weeks or so, but finally it is here. So let's unbox it together and do some first impressions. Here we go, and it looks pretty good, pretty decent. Let's pull this thing. Alright. Ooh la la. Ooh la la, guys. That is delicious. Very, very delicious. Delicioso. Almost forgot about this guy right here. As you see, I'm gonna pop this thing in, of course. That is what we're going to do, right? Beautiful. Alright, so it is finally here and it looks truly amazing. I like the look out of it. It looks more bluish, honestly. But yeah, we're gonna dive into it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna test it out to the max, taking a lot of photos, also going to take a little trip with it to make sure that we're going to test this thing out to its fullest potential, right? So I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Good luck.